you didn't know how to make over $2,500 by just watching free videos, you're about to learn now. In this video, I'm going to show you a crazy money-making strategy. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you don't need to invest a dime or spend any money because this method is completely free of charge and free of risk. You also don't need any skills or experience. All you need is a device, internet connection, and the instructions that I'm about to give you in today's video. Isn't making money online just so amazing? It's so simple, and you can do it from your home or from a beach sipping on cocktails. So let's get into the method, and I'm going to break down the entire process step by step, so make sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute of this short video. Right before we get into it though, please be sure to show us some love and support by hitting the thumbs up button down below and subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can be the first to know when we've uploaded a brand new money-making video. Also, please don't hesitate to let us know any of your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. We love hearing from all of you guys. Now, first things first, you want to head on over to aspirational.com. This is the main website that we're going to be using in today's approach, and it will allow us to view movies, play games, read comics, and earn money all at once. This is what the website will look like if you navigate to their homepage. Now for the twist. Locating the URL where we'll be making money from this website manually will be tricky. So we'll do it this way. Instead of typing in animationarena.com, just type in animationarena.com/arena-writer.html, and you'll be sent directly to here where you'll be paid to write video games, comic books, and movies reviews. You might assume this is straightforward cash, but hold your horses. You do need to pay close attention at first, and we've done all the research, so this part is super important. In order to make money, as you can see, there is no requirement for prior professional experience. All we ask is that you are passionate about the issue and that your grammar is clear to our audience. If you keep reading in this section, you will discover that each review has a minimum word count, and that in order to avoid plagiarism, it must be original and not plagiarized from other reviews. They'll also inform you how much money each review will bring you and how many times you can do it in a month. You're going to have an easy time with this because you're going to be evaluating interesting products like movies, video games, and comic books. This isn't boring at all, and you're going to have lots of fun doing it. Now, because the number of reviews is limited, if you want to make more money using this website, you can actually write to them and you can send them samples of your work via email as specified here. Include your first name, age, what subjects you like to review, what do you think makes a good review, what is your favorite television show, what games are you playing right now, and what games are you looking forward to playing, what comic books are you reading right now, and what are your top 5 movies for the year. All of this information can be sent to them by Arena Master at animationarena.com with the subject line as writing for Animation Arena and your answers in the main body of the email. We strongly suggest that you do this to make a monthly income automatically. Don't be scared to send this email. Just be honest and come across as passionate. My advice to you would be to just look at what you're already watching and playing and just write about them, because you're bound to already have an opinion. But even if you're not a super fan of gaming, you can still look at other people's reviews, and if you're good with words, you can combine their words and create an original review yourself. You probably won't even have to do that though, because the option to watch movies is incredible, and who doesn't want an excuse to grab some popcorn and watch a film, right? So let us know what your favorite movie is in the comments section down below. It's great practice for when you email Animation Arena. So that is it for animationarena.com. Now let's look at another website that will allow us to earn money by viewing movies. Now they have a lot more than just videos. They also include surveys, advertising, and web surfing tasks. But for the purpose of this video, let's just focus on watching videos. The name of this website is CashKick.com, a website that pays you in cash via PayPal or bank transfer. As you can see, making money on their website is a 3-step process. The first step is to find and complete your mission, from answering surveys to watching videos. There are always great, easy tasks for you to choose from. Complete as many as you would like. There is no limit. The second step is to watch the earnings grow in your account. Your insights help companies grow so they are happy to pay you for your time and effort. Just sit back and watch the money pile up as you complete your missions. The third step is to cash out early, easily, and often. Cashkick offers the lowest payout thresholds on the market, and we deposit your money quickly, securely, and conveniently, starting at just $10 at a time. If you scroll down here, you can see all of the testimonies from these people who have benefited from their dedication to the platform. This just helps you know that this website is genuine, which is very reassuring, and it's super reassuring because you can actually see real life people who have gotten paid and who are actually using this website. Now, to start earning money, all you have to do is head to the Cashkick website, or you can download the app depending on if you were using a computer or a mobile device. Simply fill out the appropriate fields on the website and click continue. Then to correctly register your account, simply fill in the appropriate fields with the required information. The main things that you really need are your email address, you have to create a password, and you should have your payment information ready to put in as soon as you can log into your account. This is the first thing that I do anyway, because that's the whole point, to get paid. So be sure to put in your PayPal information or whichever other payment method is most convenient and suitable for you. Then you can immediately start making money with Cashkick by doing small, easy tasks that companies are willing to pay for. So not only do you get paid, you can actually make a difference to companies who are constantly looking for ways to improve and need your opinions to do so. So to summarize, we recommend 2 amazing platforms that can create incredible streams of income for you. I would suggest using both of them and really just explore all of the opportunities and try all of them out. The more you can do, the more money you can make, so it's literally all in your hands. As you go along, you'll probably discover what you like and what you don't like, what makes the most money and what doesn't. So once you've tried different things out, you can select and focus on what you like and what makes you the most amount of money. That's the best way to go from starting a side hustle that you're probably doing alongside a difficult or tiring job to actually doing something that you enjoy and that actually makes you money full time. See, on this channel, we recognize the power of money, and that's why we're so passionate about helping you get closer to your financial goals. If you've enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on, and I will see you next time.